Suppose this sum is given to you, the price and quantity of 2003 and the price and quantity of 2016. So 2003 will be the base year. So the prices in P naught and Q naught is of 2003, and 2016 will be a current year. So it will be P1 and Q1. Now we have to start the calculations. The first thing which we have to calculate is P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught. Multiply P1 with the Q naught. 15 into 10, 150. 30 into 3, 90. 15 into 4, 60. 15 into 7. We are doing P1 Q naught. 15 into 4, 60. Then 15 into 7, 105, and then 13 into 2, 60. Next we want P naught Q naught. P naught Q naught, this also we want. So when P naught Q naught is 10 into 10, 100. 25 into 3, 75. 20 into 4, 80. 15 into 5, 75, and 30 into 2, 60. Then next is we have to find out all those which we required in our formulas. So we have done P1 Q naught, we have done P naught Q naught. Now next is our P naught Q1. P naught Q1 and P1 Q1. These two we have to calculate. So P naught Q1. 10 into 20, 200. 25 into 5, 125. 20 into 10, 200. 18 into 5 is 90. And then 30 into 4, 120. So our P naught Q1 is 200, 125, 200, 90 and 120. Now P1 Q1. This 15 into 20, 300. 13 into 5, 150. 15 into 10, 150. 18 into 7, 126, and 30 into 4, 120. Now we just need the sum total of them. Sigma P1 Q naught sum total will be, it is P1 Q naught sum total is 465. P naught Q naught sum total is 390. P naught Q1 sum total is 735, and P1 Q1 sum total is 846. Okay. Now this much calculation we have to do. Then we have to put the figures in the formulas only. If we are going to do last pairs, it is sigma P naught Q naught upon sigma P1 Q naught into 100. So sigma P1 Q it will be sigma P1 Q naught upon P naught Q naught into 100. P1 Q naught is 465 upon P naught Q naught 390 into 100. The answer will be 119.23. You just take the figure till the second decimals. Okay, 119.23. Do not try to round it off. 119.23 is the answer of last year's index number. Okay. Now if we do by the past year, I have to do one by one because I am not having space in my board, bache. Pasteur's formula is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P naught Q1 into 100. Now sigma P1 Q1 is 846, P naught Q1 735 into 100, and our answer will be 115.10. Clear? Now for Fisher's method, under root last pair's index number into past year's index number. So under root the answer of last pairs, that is 119.23 into past year's 115.10. We will get our answer 117.15. So these are the three methods by which we can calculate the weighted index number, last pair, Pasteur's and Fisher. Very easy. Only you have to learn the formulas, and if you see in the formulas, last pair has taken Q naught as the base. So in both the cases it is P1 upon P naught into Q naught Q naught. Then Pasteur has taken Q1. So it is easy to learn, and Fisher's is very easy, just the under root of the answer of those. Okay, now solve the questions in your book, and if there is any doubt you can ask us.